Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. We do cooking, we do vlogs, we do DIY, we do and fashion. I said fashion. Yeah, so if you're interested in any kind of those videos, please consider subscribing and be part of my Lily squad. Yes, the Lily squad. Happy new month, guys. Yeah guys, it's October. Imagine. October, and we have done like nothing. The year has just ended. May the Lord help us. So wish you like the best during this new month. Yeah, so guys, today I've decided to go out to take you guys out to treat myself. Yeah, I've just realized you guys have been in my kitchen, in my room, in my house. You have never been in like out. Yeah, I've never shown you guys how does Mombasa look like. So I've decided today we are going to look for a nice place, eat, enjoy nice food. Yeah, I saw this page on Instagram. It is called quaffepoint. Guys, they have amazing food. I was like, I have to visit this place. I have to take my people to this place. Yeah, so I've never done this before, like go to a place by myself, eat, enjoy the ambience and everything. I always go with my family or my friends. Yeah, so today I'm taking myself, is it a date? Yeah. So yes guys, I'm taking you guys out to treat myself. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy and love the video. So now, let's go. Finally, here we are guys at quaffepoint Mombasa. So guys, welcome to County 001 Mombasa. So guys, the place is divided into 3 sections. They have the upstairs, which is more of a coffee shop, so simple and nice. If you just come here to have a cup of coffee or just a snack, I will advise you to sit sit upstairs because it's more of a coffee shop. But if you want to have a meal, kama unataka kukula, I will advise you to use the downstairs, which is more of a living room. You just feel like you are at home, and the food here is just like food ya nyumbani. So I will advise you to use the downstairs part if you want to eat. Then there is a family room or a VIP room, which is more private. I will advise you to use this one if you just come here for a cocktail, dessert, or you want to have just a drink. I will advise you to use the private room or the VIP room. Sorry guys, I could not go inside because the place was really full. So this is the menu guys. I've decided to take mandi, chicken mandi. I've never had this one before, so I just want to give it a try. And then I'm having watermelon trees. As you can see from the menu guys, the prices are okay, and I can't wait to come back for this amazing dessert. Yeah, the prices are really okay, and they serve big portion of food. Guys, you won't be disappointed. And this one you can even have it like this one is even for 2 people. Yeah, but me, I'm going to eat it by myself. There's no 2 people. I have 2 people in my tummy. Guys, here is the joke. Girls around me, they are having pizza, burgers, just those chips. But your girl here, she's having a whole plate of rice by herself, and she's not even shy. Aye, Lydia, shame on you.
say why you're a stranger now. Your eyes escape mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Been months of bluffing the blushes and faking the butterflies. Wake up, yeah, I'm kicking the castle down.
From what is left, I guess you guys can tell that the food was really good. So for Swahili dishes, I will advise Cafe Point is the plug. Okay, now let me take you guys to another place where you can have nice, amazing Swahili dishes, food, enjoying an amazing view. So let's go, guys. Town, Mombasa, Forodhani restaurant. Guys, I love this place because of two things. One, the food, and two, the view. Guys, imagine having your lunch, enjoying the view of the sea, the breeze. Guys, it's just everything. I will advise this place 100%. But guys, one thing, if you decide to come at Forodhani, please come early, because if you decide to come at around 4 going down, the food is not that fresh. Okay, it's fresh, but we'll end up having like leftovers. But if you come early, you're going to enjoy the fresh food, and you're also going to enjoy the view, breeze, just everything. The ambience here is just something else. And the prices, as you can see the menu, the prices are very much okay. Yeah, and yes. And also, so for me, I've decided to have chicken biryani, which is looking lovely. And my two friends, one is having chips masala, and another one is having also biryani, and the food really tastes amazingly.
We climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, beat it, ever like, ever like, ever like, beat it, ever like, when it hurts like.
After eating that much, guys, always remember to burn those fats. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is me doing my morning exercise. So if I eat a lot, guys, it's because I do also work out. Bye, till next time. I love you all.
1,000 times, but I'd never say goodbye.